Alta's Choice now being loaded, set, ready for racing, race number 2. Racing just is started with Alta's Choice, break quickly to start. Rosario Princess in between horses, now is 1,000 years. Kiss Kiss Bang Bang Classic Kit Kat getting the wide strip as they make the first turn. Then next online is Air Flight, break and Shine comes next, while Ultimate Survivor is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch with 1,000 years, enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Alta's Choice in second, Rosario Princess is down in third. Alongside fourth comes Classic Kit Kat. Air Flight comes next, Kiss Kiss Bang Bang Break and Shine, while Ultimate Survivor is still racing in less than the fourth turn with 1,000 years, enjoying a length lead. Moving apart the yards, and now is Alta's Choice. Then here comes Classic Kit Kat, Rosario Princess as they swing for home. 1,000 years by linking up. Alta's Choice is on the outside. Classic Kit Kat, last 100 meters with Alta's Choice moving apart the outside to take the limits. Now Alta's Choice, and finally Alta's Choice, 1,000 years, Classic Kit Kat, Rosario Princess, Kiss Kiss Bang Bang.
Numero 8, Alta's Choice, an official winner dito sa race number 2 na segundo. Numero 4, 1,000 years. Daily double sinabot ng 300.